Park. And the race is on. Tukmo from the outside. Final countdown down on the inside. Monte Napoleone. And moving up by Daryl is entry number 2, Sharp Cookie. Tukmo by ahead, followed by Final Countdown. Sharp Cookie is racing third by about 4 lengths. Monte Napoleone, Karma, Impossible, Ray Magic, Strong Boy, and Be Cool. And passing the half-mile post, Tukmo by about 2 lengths, followed by Final Countdown. Sharp Cookie, Monte Napoleone is running by Daryl, taking the third spot, and Karma. As they raise the corner, Tukmo by about 3 lengths. Monte Napoleone is getting closer in second. Sharp Cookie as they race the final corner. Tukmo, Monte Napoleone moves up to grab the lead. It's now Monte Napoleone followed by Tukmo in second. Sharp Cookie, Karma, Impossible. And nearing the finish line, Monte Napoleone by about 6 lengths. And finally, Monte Napoleone, Tukmo, Gray Magic, Sharp Cookie, Karma, Impossible, Be Cool, number 5, Strong Boy, and Final Countdown.
Numero 6 ang unang tumawid sa linya.